Hey guys, we're going to talk about the Pathfinder and how to arrange your elements. Alright, so I already popped out my Pathfinder panel, okay? That's Window, Pathfinder, right there. I'm going to pop it out again, okay? I also have my swatches out just so I can illustrate this tutorial a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna make this orange. I'm gonna make another circle right here. Ideally, I'm gonna show you what I want to do, okay? Let's say this is the end product. This is the goal that I want, okay? So I want a circle with a little crescent that adds a little bit of dimension, okay? Eventually I might add like a little pop of color up here, a little highlight, maybe not pink, maybe more yellow, something like that, okay? So let's start off with a circle. All right. So to get this little crescent shape, I am going to copy, paste in front. Okay, so that's going to give me an exact replica of that circle behind there, okay? Now I have two circles right on top of each other. And remember, Illustrator and layers are like floors of a building, okay? So right now, this, I'm gonna make this a different color. This circle is underneath this, I'm gonna make this blue. This yellow circle is underneath this blue circle. We know that just because I did it. So there are two copies of this big circle now, okay? I'm going to take this and let's see, how am I going to do this? Okay, copy, paste in front. Now I'm going to take this circle, I'm holding down my shift key, I'm selecting that one and this one because I want to make this little crescent shape. Okay, I'm going to go to Pathfinder and minus the front. This object is the front, minus the front. You guys are going to need to experiment a little bit with this, but you're good at experimentation, right? Okay, so let's talk about arrange. Okay, I'm going to make two circles. All right, let's pretend that we want this yellowish circle on top of this red circle, okay? We're going to select this yellow circle, go to Object, Bring to Front, okay? I also want you to check out these key commands. We're going to start learning about key commands. Okay, so I'm selecting this. I'm doing another arrange example. Okay, Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, Bring Forward. That might or might not work, but you can also do it with the other object, okay? Bring forward, bring to the front. So start messing around with that. Let me show you another example. I'm gonna have to draw something really quick. Okay. Let's pretend I want a little shadow down here and I don't want to do it with a gradient, okay? So I'm going to copy paste in front. I'm going to scoot it up just a little bit. So now I have this main object underneath and I have this lighter object on top, okay? This is another way that when we spoke about this in our class. So I'm going to select, I'm going to make a copy of this one, okay? So copy, paste in front. Now I'm going to select the top green shape and I'm going to hit intersect. That is going to give me roughly the same thing as this, just a different way, okay? So please experiment with this stuff. I know you guys are going to get it, and I'll talk to you soon.